All right. Well, we're here Thursday, 3 o'clock, cooking with Grandma Tanner. I did post the recipe on the Facebook and Instagram page. Tanner's Red Hot Apple Salad. So where'd you get this recipe, Grandma?
Well, a customer was telling me about this, how easy it is, and I thought, oh, that sounds, we sell Red Hots and we sell applesauce. And this applesauce is made out of our Golden Delicious.
Yep.
So I decided you can put it in a bowl or in a mold. So I had this mold, and it looks kind of like a pumpkin. And when you get this, all the ingredients in here, it kind of turns out orange. So it's just kind of neat. But I did spray this very lightly, and then if there's any that runs down, you need to just kind of soak it up. Yeah. So you have 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, and you put 1.5 cups of Red Hots in there.
Oh.
And you stir it and stir it until those are completely dissolved. And then after they're dissolved and it's still hot, then you put 2 packages of lemon jello. Now you can use orange jello, which would probably make it more orange color. But anyway, I use the lemon. And then you chill your applesauce. So you need 3 cups of applesauce.
Chilled.
Chilled, yes. And so this is all dissolved. I just took the applesauce out of the refrigerator. And you want to blend that real well. Now, if you have not made applesauce, it's very easy. I should have demoed how to make applesauce today.
You can do that next week.
Yes. If you have that little slicer thing, it peels it and slices it, and then you don't have to run it through a colander. So you just blend this really, really well. The Red Hots, the applesauce, the water,
Jello.
and the lemon jello.
Do they have apple jello?
I think there is an apple jello. I did not see it at the store, so I got lemon because that's kind of neutral. You put a couple pinches of salt in here. Blend that all up together. And then you pour it into your mold. Now this will take almost overnight to set. I made one yesterday afternoon, and it was all set up. So there it is.
Well, that's an easy one.
It
Boil
is
some
very
water.
easy, and it's beautiful. I'll show you the one that I did. This would just be nice for a little fall gathering. And I first had an orange pumpkin in there, but it didn't quite look right. Jenny said, you know what, a white pumpkin. So I had these 2 girls, and they said, we'll go find a white pumpkin, because it had to be small. But when you take it out of the mold, you set this in some warm water. Well, first I sprayed it, and then you set it in warm water
You sprayed it before you put the Jello in.
Yep, I sprayed it before I put the Jello in. And then you have to wait. And then you take this and you just turn the whole thing over and it'll come out.
All right, and you set it in warm water, like...
Yeah, right up to there.
Okay.
You set that in warm water just to, not very long because you don't want to melt it. Just a little bit.
Pops out. Very pretty.
So you can, I just put a few leaves around it. And we had this beautiful dish.
If you had a pumpkin blossom or something, that'd be pretty in it too.
Yes. We could go out and get a pumpkin blossom. They're beautiful orange right now.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a goldish orange. But a nice fall Jello and very simple.
All right. Well,
Applesauce, Red Hots, lemon juice, and a little water and salt. And that's it.
Man, that's an easy one. Even I could do it.
Yeah. I had one of our employees gave me this. She said I never use it, and maybe you can use it for Grandma's cooking. So I made a bundt cake last year, apple bundt cake, and I thought, oh, that would be nice for a
mold
for the pumpkin.
All right. Well, there you go. Easy recipe today. Nice little Jello. If your kids like Jello and applesauce, get them to try something else.
It's very important to make sure all those Red Hots are totally dissolved. You have to just keep stirring them.
Okay.
In the warm or hot water.
And your house will smell like cinnamon.
Yes, it will.
Our room here smells like cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
So, all right. Well, we got the big weekend coming up, Columbus Day weekend, or what I don't remember what. I can't pronounce the word they call
Columbus.
Columbus Day in genius. I'm terrible. I was in speech when I was young. It didn't help. So anyways, we will be open 8 to 8. All 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday will be festival days. So the ponies will be here every day, face painting. The unicorns, all the rides you pick, everything will be going.
Old Market Eatery will be open.
Yep. You can get the apple pulled pork nachos, which are delicious. They have apple salsa and apple butter barbecue sauce on them. Really good. Or the smoky chipotle brisket nachos. But I like the pulled pork better. So there you go. We hope to see you this weekend. I believe Elsa will be here Saturday and Sunday. Because she was not here last weekend. She just comes every other weekend. So bring the kiddos out. Enjoy a fall day. And we hope to see you guys. Thanks for watching.
Mm-hmm.